YouTubers, we've got an RTC on in Mickleover in Derby. Touring at DS5 with no keys, and we've now got the job to do an RTC. Good evening, YouTubers. We've got an RTC on in Mickleover in Derby. So just going to fly out there now as quick as I can. ETA is currently showing 47 minutes from Stafford to Mickleover. Just going to do my quick walk around, do my checks and get gone. It's a Volkswagen Golf and it's got front wheel damage. So GDB, Nissan Navara, super specialist recovery on its way. Evening. Are you? Alright. Oh dear, dear, dear.
Good, is it?
Not the best, not the best. Is she four-wheel drive, is she?
No,
No, just two-wheel front, that sound.
This that you can see, can't you, that thing?
Yeah. So obviously bent the lower arm or something, hasn't it, on there?
You tell me, I've got
Yeah, doesn't look the prettiest, mate, I'm afraid, but... dear, dear, dear. Long as you're alright, most important.
Yeah, go on. The alarm's off anyway.
Yeah, so do you want to just take the handbrake off for me as well, if that's alright?
It'll be freezing, it's not.
I know, it's in the best. Yeah, more than likely, mate, don't take me word, but more than likely, with the mileage and the age of it, they'd class it as a write-off.
Yeah.
So I'd rather you have every little bit out that you need.
I like this car, actually.
I know, well, there's always, I'm sure you can get another one.
No, I might have something different. It's a good opportunity.
It is a good opportunity, you're very right there, you're not wrong.
Oh, there's a few quid in it, isn't it? All back.
Take all of that with you, mate, take it all.
I only had it like 7 minutes.
Oh, is that it? Just want to unlock it for me if you can. Just got to grab a photo of the inside. Do you want to get any of that paperwork out if it's got any personal detail on? Out your glove box. Well, you can come round this side if you want. Right, that's the Volkswagen Golf up and loaded. Time-wise, we're on 9:30. I'm about 20 minutes from base. Just had another job landing for a Range Rover Evoque at Stafford Services on the M6 southbound for one new tyre. Tyre size 245 45 20. I would love to record this job, but time is getting on. I was meant to be having a film night with my lady tonight and popcorn and a Tango Ice Blast. But clearly the jobs are still coming in, so that has had to have been postponed. I know I should record the content because it makes good watch for you, but trust me, I am knackered from recording. It takes a lot of time and energy, but I will get a photo and I'll put this into the new collection of the GDB Weekly. I hope you all enjoy watching the channel. I thank you all very much for your contribution and your support. I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much. So, just filled up at the petrol station. I just came across an RTC at the roadside, which is a Hyundai. As you know, I work with a very good company in Stafford who have the contract to repair those cars. Rang him up, he's already on his way there, and we've now got the job to do an RTC. So, just going to fly back. I'm only about 10 minutes from home. Quickly get in the Nissan Navara and do a lift and shift of a little Hyundai i10 with front end damage. Quickly going to, as some of you noticed, Stafford Mobile Tyres. Just going to put my GDB uniform on and we're straight back out there. Hope you enjoy this one. GDB over and out. How are you doing?
Hey up, buddy. Great minds think alike.
Hey, you're not wrong there. Beautiful, nice one. Yeah, sound. Just like that.
Just like that. That's sufficient for you, to Greg.
Hey, you don't get much better than that, does it, Mark?
Oh, mate, that's all. I had a phone call about 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago.
Ah.
And you must have been driving past.
I was coming past in the tyre van, I was. Sort of getting the other motor recovered, are you?
This is the motor. I'm just going to pull it off here, off the main road.
Yeah, I'll give you one of our leaflets just in case you need anything. Here you are, mate. If you need anything, just give that number a call on the bottom. So, what do we think about that? That was a quick little lift and shift, wasn't it? Yeah, happy days, another good tool, another good job for the Nissan Navara. Yeah, can't really complain. But I would like to upgrade this vehicle to something that little bit bigger. I would like to upgrade it. Obviously, I do not recommend this vehicle from when I bought it because it was a load of beep. But the amount of money and thousands I've spent on it to get it actually working right is a very good tool. So do not be fooled by the capabilities of the Nissan Navara because it was not like that from day one. Let me tell you that much. Anyway, I'm still dying. If you like what you see, like and subscribe and give me a little cheeky comment below. Morning, YouTubers. Got a bit of man flu on the go. Definitely ain't COVID. but we're still going to work. First job of the day. Today's Saturday. The video has just been released from last night, Friday. And today is 8 o'clock and we're going out to Penkridge to do a mobile tyre job. Look at the sexy little high-vis bottoms. Oh, my voice is terrible. Yeah, it's absolutely terrible, mate. Right, let's get out of here. The sensor's okay anyway. The sensor's okay, no problem. Wait for this to go bang. Watch your eyes. That's one. Stafford, not far, not far. There you go. No, not me, mate. I'll take me time, me. Do you want the job doing right or not, don't it? No, went to F1 last week. Fucking look at that. Get out of here, man.